Welcome to Alone Business Channel. This time we will create a duotone action. It is distributed free of charge for a limited number of people. Please try to use it. Create new fill. Gradient map. Click to edit the gradient. Click left side color stop. Input EB3909. Click right side color stop. Input 09 EBA8. The gradient map is completed. Adobe Color was utilized for color selection in this case. Complementary colors were used. Please use it when you have trouble with colors. We created a duotone action. Click Load Actions to load it. Just click to apply duotone. This is very useful, so please make use of it. Thank you for watching the video to the end. My goal is to increase my channel subscribers. Your help will help. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.